Exploring Human-Computer Interaction, HCI. Introduction to HCI, Human-Computer Interaction, HCI, is a multidisciplinary field that examines the interaction between humans and computer systems. In this tutorial, we'll delve into the fundamentals of HCI, understanding its significance in creating seamless and effective technology interfaces. Understanding user experience. HCI places a strong emphasis on enhancing user experience. Learn how HCI principles contribute to creating technology that is user-friendly, intuitive, and aligns with the needs of diverse users. Discover the psychology behind user interactions and how it shapes the design process. Principles of HCI design. Explore the principles that guide HCI design, including usability, accessibility, and user-centered design. Uncover the importance of user research and how it informs the design decisions to ensure technology interfaces meet the user's expectations. Creating intuitive interfaces. Delve into the art of designing intuitive and user-friendly interfaces. Understand the role of visual hierarchy, layout, graphics, and color in creating interfaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also highly functional. Learn how to balance creativity with usability. Usability in HCI. Usability is a key aspect of HCI, ensuring that systems are efficient, easy to learn, and error-resistant. Explore the principles of usability and how they contribute to the overall success of technology interfaces. Learn to identify and address usability challenges. The evolution of HCI. Discover the evolving landscape of HCI, including the latest trends and technologies shaping the field. Explore how HCI adapts to emerging technologies, such as augmented reality, virtual reality, and voice interfaces.